What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tati, back at it with another video. My base is done. This was being done in the chit chat. Get ready with me. I had to split them up, but we're gonna do a cute eye. We're going to do a simple, easy, cute eye though, like stunting. Okay, so let's get into this. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this little shade that we use for blush and use it as a transition. Put it above your eye. Yes, ma'am. Next, we're going to go into my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte Palette and use this blue right here. Can y'all see that? Yeah, we're going to use that blue right there. And I'm using this type of brush because I want it to be kind of pigmented. And sometimes BH shadows cannot be so pigmented, especially on my brown skin. I want to do something that's fun, that's big, that's bold, because I just feel like being different, but it's not too many steps, too much to try how to do. This mainly, and this is like the hardest part, is blending. Blending everything together to make it look good. But girl, listen to me. You are that chick. You don't have to worry about the shadows blending. Shadows need to worry about the working that you about to do on them. They about to have to worry about how bad you about to blend them out. You feel me? Because you're that girl. You're going to take this look to that level. Take your finger if you need to. If you losing a little bit of that color, your finger will help you blend out these shadows. And it won't take away like the brush does sometimes. Sometimes you gotta get a little old school and add that color with your finger. I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here in this corner. And I'm about to add that to this crease and make it a little bit darker. And you want to blend these together. Keep them separate a little bit, but you want them to also blend together. Now go back with that first brush that you used and go in circular motions and just blend out those edges. Really blend. You could really finesse this even better and like easier. But we trying to do this we trying to do this easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're not trying to be here too long, taking 4 or 5 colors and putting too much detail. You feel me? We're not trying to have the skill. We're trying to finesse the system and make them think we got the skill. Y'all, okay. Don't neglect your outer corner. You want that blue to show up on that outer corner just like it's showing up on the inner corner. And I mean, really, you about to cover up the inner corner. So it really don't matter how vibrant it is on the inner corner. But that outer corner, you want that purpley blue shift to really show up and show out. Now we're at this point, and y'all can see why I never was on the trend of putting one color here to my eyelid, because I look crazy. Next, we're going to take the lightest concealer you have, almost white if you have it, and carve out that crease. If you have an eye shape like me, just go with your second crease. If you have a second crease, you know what I'm talking about. It's just that little area right here that you could go to. And that makes it easier for me to do cut creases. But if you don't have that second crease, take that color, put it on your lids. Right here, and then look up. And when you look up, you see where that concealer touched? That's where you want to cut out your crease at. Try to make them as even on both sides as you possibly can. And even if it's not the same, it just needs to look the same, if that makes sense. Because maybe one eye is bigger than the other, so you gotta draw it a little smaller than the other one. When you're doing the outside, you don't want to do a straight line. You want to feather it with your concealer. You don't want your concealer to be straight. None of that. You want it to kind of go into this area. Y'all see that? And you want it to kind of be even. You want to go back in with that same brush that you used before to place that color and blend it in. And so blend in between the white area that you have and the other area that you have. Blend that blue. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going in with this shade. If you want something lighter, go in with that shade. Go in with every shade you want. You could actually leave it like this if you want to. But I'm going in with that other shade, Tie, that we put on our lid, on our cheeks. And I'm going to pat that in And this is probably the most intense part, other than cutting your crease, because you want to stay within that line. But if you go a little bit outside of that line, girl, who gonna shoot you? We need something a little bit more orangey. So we're gonna go back in with our eyeliner mats, and we're gonna go with this orange shade right here and put that over top this, because we just need a little bit more of an orange vibe. And okay. So all I did was take my finger and rubbed it kind of in the area that I want. And I'm just gonna go back over that with my Nubian palettes, because I got a little beside myself. Did I say this was a simple look? It is, but it isn't. It's more of a go with the flow look. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Yara to lighten this up and to make it more of the shade that I would like for it to be. Because there's nothing wrong with it. I really wanted it to be orangey, but this shade is really, this look is really taking on a life of its own. The blend of those three shades gave me more of what I wanted. Okay, so remember I told y'all, do not worry about if you went outside the lines, you good, girl. Don't worry about it, because we're gonna fix that. Let me show you how we gonna fix it. We're gonna go in with that same blue shade that we've been using on our outer V and in our, a little bit in our crease. And we're gonna take that color and we're gonna stamp it right. Knock some off, because blue does not play with you. I got blue all over my face. Okay. And you're gonna take a little bit of that and put it right above this line, right? Where all of that other mess has been. I'm going with a darker blue. And you can take any blue that you have that's a little bit darker. You can really take a little bit of black. And you're gonna put that right there where you put all of this other stuff at. Right where you just covered up that line at, you're gonna put that little darker blue. I got blue on my face a little bit, but I'm weird, so I kind of like the little iridescent blue coming down my nose. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. Okay, next I'm gonna go back in with that gold shade, that pinky gold that we use, and highlight our inner corner with that. And I mean, it's turning a little, because we put that blue, it's turning a little bit of blue, and like highlighting the blue, which I don't mind. We're gonna go back with that blue that we've been putting everywhere. We're gonna put that under our eyes. I'm going back and putting some of that in my crease, because I just feel like it's not as vibrant of a blue as it is in my under my eyes. And I think that that's just because your girl was not planning to use this blue. So I kind of muddied it up with that other color that's not as much of a true purpley blue. It's more of a green blue. Yeah, that looks better. Y'all, I had to fix that. That was not cute, y'all. It's time for eyeliner and lashes, and I might cut this out because your girl cannot. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. What do y'all think? In the restroom, I thought it looked cute. Now, looking at my viewfinder, I'm like, it's all right. I went a little extra ham on my eyes. And I still went nude on my lips, but I don't know. I low-key want to do I like everything to match to a T. Like, I would really like for a blue fade to be going on, or for my lips to just be pink. Which is kind of crazy because I'm very dark, so I need a lip liner. But other than that, I kind of really like this. I kind of really like this look. I haven't went out of the box extreme in a while. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends so that we can gain more people into this potato family. And before you leave, subscribe. Subscribe so you can join this potato family and grow with your girl. Was I out of focus this whole time? And I look like, oh,